Hello guys, today we're going to talk to you about the subject before and after. Well, here we go.
First, we have the evolution of technology.
Of course, if we go to, to the school with privacy to deliver and tasting a work that cheaper versus today, the compare is to the some product about the school.
Very interesting, Yahir. Also, one thing that I read it to entertain was that previously for children they used traditional games such as rope, speaking, catching, so that today that entertainment did and was replaced by video games.
I agree with you. The coexistence between adolescents with typical street meeting where with you 30 with your friends in that same way these ways can we be social network.
Very good, Jair. And what can you tell me about sport?
Well, one aspect of football that water many fans and other like it was staying the bar did not produce a stick to check upon the reference and the responsibility of fair play.
I'm fine. When you take bar theory with good reference like Berluigi Colina.
And speaking of sport, almost half of the festival that not live with Sendera distributed of win today.
Yes, I go 8 ways due to century lifetime and nutrition since therefore they eat many foods high in protein such as fruit and vegetables and some meats.
Exact. As the product will range and it would continue.
Each day, Novel's Day, they create instant and candy products.
Okay, what my curious is what people know it before.
While in the beginning, land transportation was done on foot using the force of animals.
Health treatment and Darcia is with necessary canoes or love taking at advantage of the current of the river to reach their destination.
It's true nowadays we use gasoline for energy or electricity.
My question is what ways music made for
Before your instrument to creative music very bones rates to trocus shields etc.
great objects you could make music.
If they also sang a cappella, it was not until 1877 that an American inventor created the first phonograph.
Well, this has been all for today. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. Bye.